Oh yeah, 1960 Edsel, $3,465 cost in 1960, which is a high dollar, man. That's a lot of bucks in 1960. Because not that many years before that, I think in the early 50s, you could buy a house for that much. I mean, this is about 1/3 the price of a house. Made in Louisville, Kentucky, 292 Ford V8 engine. Bud Kaufman, chief stylist, sold production 2,846. So that's low production numbers. Land of Lincoln. Ugh. Lincoln, yo-yo. The land of the attorneys. So, sweet interior, two-tone, cloth and vinyl, gold color. Yeah. You know, retrospect, the Edsels really are a nice looking car. I don't know, you know what, they should have chosen a different name though. I think that was a problem. But I actually have no problem with the styling at all. I don't know why they didn't sell big back then. Possibly, you know what the other deal is? There was a recession, I think, in 58. A bad recession, 1958, and I think that was around the time this car was introduced. That didn't help it out much, too.